Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to sign up for Planet Fitness Summer Pass. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your browser, then search for Planet Fitness Summer Pass, just like so, then hit this option right here. Once you hit this option, you will have to click on My Account on the top right side, then go and click on Login into your account. Then it will show here this page. Click on Do not have an account, click on Sign Up. Once you click on the Sign Up button, you will now have to provide your first name, last name, email, and password. And now after you provide all your credentials, you'll get this message. Simply open your inbox. And now after opening my inbox here, I have this option. Click on verify your account. And you're all done. Now we have signed up. Now we can simply click on my account and log in into your account if you want. So I'm going to click on login into your account. Then I'm going to enter the email and password. And here you have it. This is my own account and this is the email. All things are here. Simply, I'm going to click on find a club. Then he should search for the address or the city by using or the ZIP code. It doesn't really matter. But let me choose my ZIP code. I'm living in Egypt, so I'll search for this one right here. And of course, it is only available in America. Okay. So now I can simply click on review plans on each one, and it will tell me exactly how much will it cost to submit or sign up for this plan in this place. Okay, every place has its own way to sign up and has its own price. Okay, so keep that in mind. It really depends on where are you going to. So this Westbury, for example, will cost you this money, and Coral Palace or Coral Place will cost you this money. Jamaica. So it really depends on where you are actually going to apply. Okay, and that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.